Welcome to WCrypto.
Hello, my friends. Welcome back to WCrypto. Bitcoin broke out of a coiling price structure yesterday and pumped to $86,400. But the upside rally ended fast. It got instantly rejected in the same 1-hour candle, sending it down to $83,800. At the time of recording, we are consolidating around $84,100. This puts us right at the doorstep of the long liquidation hot pocket, which starts forming just below $83,600. When we check the 3-day Bitcoin liquidation heat map, we see that Bitcoin pushed into the hot short liquidation zone between $85,700 and $86,200. It hit the top of the range at $86,400. But the reaction was strange. Out of a total $183 million in liquidations, only 71.5 million were shorts. That makes no sense. These levels are supposed to carry over 300 million in shorts at every $50 increment between 86 and 86.2. Either the liquidity data is off, or we are in for a deeper dip. And that brings us to the next point. Yes, we could dump lower into the long liquidation zone before going higher. On the 1-day chart, Bitcoin just broke out of the downtrend that started back on January 31st. That opens the possibility of a full retest all the way down to $81,000 in the coming days. You should prepare for the worst while hoping for the best. After all, price action likes to revisit breakout zones before continuation, but now for some bullish perspective. Corporations bought 95,431 Bitcoin in Q1. That is the largest quarterly accumulation ever recorded. Also, halving progress sits at around 25%. Historically, that means the best part of the cycle is still ahead. Do not sleep on it. The Bitcoin ETF also saw $1.5 million in net inflows yesterday. That is the first positive flow since April 2nd and confirms returning institutional interest. I will update you again tomorrow. If you're searching for an exchange to trade Bitcoin with the lowest fees and amazing bonuses, check out BingX, link in the pinned comment. Registering with my link helps support this channel. Join the free Discord for real-time trading thoughts, entries, and exits. Click the like button if you got value out of this video. Subscribe and tap the notification bell if you want to stay ahead. And see you in the next one.